Welcome back guys, I'm your KIKICONIC, and if you're new here, welcome. So for today's video, what we're doing is this look, this really glamorous brunette red lips look for you guys. I'm using my Morphe 25A, which is the copper spice. So if you want to know how I did this look, all you have to do is just stick around and watch the entire video. Anyway, without further ado, let's go on with the transformation. Okay guys, to start, I'm using my Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion by Dragon Beauty. This will help to cover my dark circles under my eye, and that includes my 5 o'clock shadows, which is around my mustache area, my chin and my eyebrows, since I'm doing a drag makeup. To set my Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion, I'm using my new Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. To prime my face, I'm using the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer. I love this primer. It has invisible layers of silk imperfection and impurities for alluring skin. The next step is highlighting the area that I want to be highlighted using my Crayola TV sticks in the shade of 1W. And now I'm putting a drop or two of my Cover FX holographic drops in the shade of Halo. This will give me a bit of extra shimmer on my cheeks. Now I'm moving on with my foundation base using my Crayola TV sticks in the shade of FS40. And I'm using my Morphe M439 foundation brush to buff that foundation into the skin. And now with the help of my beauty sponge, I'm putting on a tapping motion like this so it goes into my skin. To contour my face, I'm using the darker shade of my Crayola TV paint stick in the shade of 12W. And once again, I'm using a foundation brush to buff and apply the foundation evenly into my skin. And also I'm using a smaller round brush to contour my nose. And of course, I'm contouring my lips. I want to have that bigger and even lips effect. Okay guys, to set the 3 kilos of foundations on my face, I'm using my Nikkia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. And then I go back under my eye with my setting powder just to make sure it doesn't crease. I'm outlining how I want the shape of my eyebrows using my Kat Von D 24 Hour Super Brow Longwear Pomade. And now I'm using my BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette to finish my eyebrows. For the eyeshadow base, I'm using my Louise base. This is in the shade of Rumor number 2. I'm using my MAC 195 synthetic brush. And I'm using the shade Sun Dollar with my Morphe M43 to set my base. I'm dipping my Zoeva 227 brush in the shade of Sunrise to put in my entire crease, and this will be my transition shade. I'm using the shade version in my crease using the Zoeva 231. I'm doing a back and forth in my crease with circular motion to intensify the shade of version in my crease. Okay guys, so to cut my crease, I'm going back with my Louise base, and I'm using the smaller synthetic brush, which is the Crayolan. This is the concealer brush number 11. And now I'm using the Makeup Revolution, the strobe highlighter, and I'm putting this on my lid just to give a bit of shimmer. Once again, I'm using the Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter, and I'm putting some on my brow bones. Okay guys, so for the under eye, so I'm using exactly the same procedure what I use for my eyelid. For the eyeliner, I'm using the NARS. Don't know what shade it is, but I can't remember. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm starting to outline it, and then later on I'm using my liquid black eyeliner to intensify the color. And for my waterline, I'm using my NARS black eyeliner again. I'm using my HD cream liner. This is in the ebony shade by Crayolan, and I'm using my bent brush by Crayolan. This is brush number 12. And for the contour, I'm using the contour kit light to medium by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And we're moving on for the blush. We're using the Morphe blush palette, and I'm using the MUA or MUA shade. And I'm using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is the Supreme Frost in Snow Glow. I love this highlighter, and I'm gonna put some of this on my cheek just to give me that shimmer I wanted. Okay guys, so for the lips, I've decided to go for red lips since my eye makeup is simple, so I want to go something bold. So I'm using a red lip liner just to line my lip, and for the lipstick I'm using my Fenty Beauty. This is uncensored.
If you enjoyed this look on me, all you have to do is just comment down below, and don't forget to hit the like button, guys, if you think this look fabulous on me. Before I say goodbye to everyone, I want to say thank you again for sticking around and watch my transformation makeup video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when I have a new video. Have a great day, guys. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.